Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I'll be assembling all of my gym equipment. I'll be framing up the entrance to the gym, and I'll be adding some finishing touches, and we are about finished with our barn to gym conversion. Okay, we have the Stairmaster that's been in my shop, my terribly messy shop, for a good year and a half now, and so it's been kind of exposed to a lot of dust and wind and obviously cat hair. So I've got to clean this up, and I'm going to do something stupid again, which I'm in the process of doing. I already moved it from here to here, and this thing weighs so much. I had to strap it down onto the dolly, and I will roll it over to the gym. We're in. We are in. Ooh, that was sketchy. That was stupid. Whew, we did it. Getting closer. Just have to finish setting up the cable machine. Take this off the jacks. Got the Stairmaster in here. Now I'm working on framing up this whole door, and then we're gonna put French doors right here. So I cut this board to fit the contour of the cement. Whoops. And hopefully that can contain my self-leveling cement. Laid down my self-leveling concrete yesterday, so now I'm gonna take the forms off and let's see how it looks. I was going for a nice even flat surface, so everything above that with the French doors and the framing can be perfect. Doing something stupid again. Nice. That actually works good. Sweet. Sweet. Look at that. That looks nice. Shoot. Woo! Dang. Ow. Like I said, doing something stupid. Ouchie, wawa. Ooh, that hurt. Woo! Did I screw it up? Shoot. Oh, Chihuahua. I was just getting the ladder to come prop it up so that wouldn't happen. And it happened. Oh, Chihuahua. Oh, Chihuahua. Whew, right. Whew. I lost my headphone. Man. You almost got smushed. Oh, man. My battery's shot. Jeez. Boom, baby. Look at that. Just got the French doors installed. Got it all framed up and squared away. Just have to do a few little odds and ends on it. It shuts beautifully. It's nice and square. Looks good. First door I've ever framed. We got it all sealed up. The moment I have been waiting for forever. Let's get this sucker hot. I just want to get this hot and see, measure the temperature difference overnight. Alright, I got all the barn wood. Wasn't too bad of a job, just ripped it off the old barn. Now I'm gonna line this whole wall. Hopefully it looks good. That almost finishes up our entire conversion. In the next video, we'll give you guys a full, complete walkthrough, a tour of our entire gym so you guys can see the complete finished product.